Hello, I'm demonstrating how to access the scripture search in the Atla religion database from the default EBSCOhost search screen in EBSCO's new user interface. Over here, there is an advanced search button. We're going to click that. Then we're going to go to the subjects link. And we're going to drop down the subjects listing to Atlas Scripture Search. Then we're going to click on the scripture that we would like to access. I want Genesis chapter 1, so I'm going to click the box next to it and say add to search. If I had wanted to search on a specific verse, I could drill down into the specific verse and add that to the search. I can use this to add multiple different scriptures to a search. And then when I'm done adding scripture text that I want to search, I click search here. And we wait just a second for the results to come back.